There's still a lot to go. Sure you can handle it?
Yeah, of course I can. Come on!
Royal decision making. Hey, I was born to do it. Yeah, sure, I'm slightly faking, but there's not that much to it. Bring it on, I'm ready, 'cause I got this. I've got this. Just watch.
Princess Rapunzel, may I present your most humble subjects?
He won't let my sheep graze next to his without a fight. How can I compare with this guy fiddling day and night? Lately half the city's overrun by cats and kitties.
Eating everything in sight. Right. Pasture land is public. I decree you'll have to share. Earplugs will do wonders. You'll receive a royal pair.
Thanks.
Henceforth it is written, we'll feed every cat and kitten here within the palace square. Fair? Yeah! Folks, the line starts there. She's got a knack for reigning. So far she's holding steady, but folks are still complaining, so let's not throw confetti. Nonetheless, I guess our girl has got this. She's got this. No problem. Is that the last one?
Well, not exactly, Your Highness.
Since we share the pasture, we can't tell whose sheep are whose.
Oops,
I can't hear my customers and ruin all their dues.
sorry.
Now the cats are quiet.
But the rats are running riot up and down the avenue.
No more interviews.
Gosh, what a huge disaster, and everybody knew it. I had one job to master, and I completely blew it. I was so darn certain that I got this, but I'm not this, not yet. Who would have thought how far from getting this